Kombucha. What is it and is it really worth the hype? Today we'll find out. We'll share with you the benefits of drinking kombucha tea, what to watch out for, and how to make it. Kombucha is fermented black tea being enjoyed worldwide for its purported health benefits. Think of it like beer, but it comes from black tea and it's healthier. The ingredients you'll need are black tea you've prepared beforehand, white sugar, and SCOBY. SCOBY is an acronym. It stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast, and it does look like a slimy fungal life form, but it's a culture of countless cells we're gonna be needing. What's good is that once you've made your first batch, you can reuse the SCOBY and they will regrow in the next batches of kombucha tea. You can buy SCOBY from stores that sell kombucha or you can order them online. Sugar is important in fermentation as it will serve as the food for the microorganisms that will turn black tea into kombucha, so it's not the bad kind of sweetening we're trying to avoid when trying to lose weight or be healthy. Why we need this is because the culture of two groups of coexisting microorganisms transforms the sugars into important acids, antioxidants, and micronutrients such as B-complex vitamins. Here are the wonderful benefits of drinking kombucha tea in moderation. Number 1. It gives your immune system a boost. By now, you should notice that this drink is probiotic. The culture added to the tea is beneficial microorganisms that are good for the gut. What they do once they're in our digestive tract is help with digestion by converting food into simpler forms, making it easier for the body to absorb. This leads to benefit number 2. Your body's energy will always be at peak levels. Thanks to those good microorganisms, your digestive system doesn't need to work twice as hard to provide your energy needs. This is actually a benefit of many other fermented products, like apple cider and yogurt. But kombucha tea is superior when it comes to antioxidants, and that's what we're after. Number 3. It's the perfect alcohol alternative. Remember when we said it's like beer? Yes, and a healthy one. Kombucha can be a good replacement for alcoholic drinks, especially when you're on keto and you don't want to be kicked off of the rapid fat-burning state. Some nights you want to have a good time with friends or relatives who come over so you can surprise them with a healthy selection. After all, kombucha tea is tea, and it will also give you a feeling of relaxation and well-being the same way wine does. Have you ever had kombucha tea? Share what you felt about the super tea in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss all the health and fitness videos we are about to post. Number 4. Your digestion will be more efficient. When it comes to metabolism, weight loss, or blood sugar control, this is one of the most vital things we need to aim for. Good digestion keeps away a lot of problems, and that includes weight gain. What the tea does is strengthens the stomach and support the production of stomach enzymes that efficiently break down proteins. Combine this benefit with working out, then you will see you're getting considerable progress. Lastly, it helps stabilize blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Kombucha tea helps improve insulin resistance, the main cause of diabetes. Our cells normally use up blood sugar for energy with the help of a hormone called insulin. But sometimes, cells may become resistant to the hormone, and this can lead to blood sugar rising. When blood sugar is unstable, we tend to crave more, which is the real enemy we have to face if we're trying to lose weight. When you drink kombucha tea and your blood sugar is stable, you can go for longer periods of fasting and be more mindful of what you eat since you're not craving junk food. And when your hormones are functioning well, you won't feel stressed, so you're less likely to go stress eat. Thanks to the drink's B vitamins and minerals like calcium, your body will feel less stressed and more feelings of well-being. And as an added bonus, it will help you sleep. So if tea is calming, its fermented counterpart is the ultimate tonic of calmness. Just remember that black tea is ideally drunk several hours before bedtime so the caffeine doesn't disrupt your sleep. So those are the wonderful benefits of drinking kombucha tea. But what about side effects? Well, a few things. Number 1, if you have a condition called acidosis, kombucha might not be a good drink for you since the drink promotes the production of acids. If this is a concern, it helps to dilute the tea with lots of water so the acidity wouldn't be too strong. Number 2, the tea is also a stimulant, so if you're the type who's sensitive to caffeine, it might keep you awake past your bedtime. Number 3, stomach problems. Since the drink is acidic, you may encounter problems if you have ulcers or gastritis, which can get irritated further by the tea. And number 4, if you have SIBO or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, kombucha may worsen it because of its probiotic nature. As a bonus, you may also want to consider the alcoholic nature of the drink. If you're someone who's avoiding alcoholic drinks, kombucha will also be off of your list. Overall, it's a simple drink you can make at home by simply adding 2 grams of sugar and our culture of good microbes, 1 mat of SCOBY, onto a mason jar of black tea. Green tea can also be a substitute for the base. Let it ferment for 2 weeks, but if you'll add more white sugar, then ferment it longer, giving more time for the microbes to eat all of the sugar. More sugar conversion means more antioxidants. Now, if you have been watching our other videos on using natural home remedies for common health problems, you may discover that staying healthy has a lot to do with strengthening your body's natural defense system to fight back diseases. For example, there was a real story of a 45-year-old mom of 3 who almost lost her life to obesity. This lady suffered from a chronic condition that made her not able to lose any weight no matter how much she exercised and how healthy she ate. After a near-fatal heart attack, she found a natural remedy that saved her life. This remedy was a Japanese breakfast tonic which she drank every morning. She lost 54 pounds in just 7 weeks. The tonic originates from Okinawa, Japan, which is hailed as one of the world's last blue zones, or places where almost everybody is healthy and lives a long life. Check the description below for the link to the story. You'll be amazed at how much weight the woman lost and her stunning transformation. So there we have it. Have you tried any other natural home remedies that work for you? Let us know in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates on new videos. Thank you for watching.